It was the 19th night of Ramadan. The city of Kufa was silent, but history was about to witness a moment that would shake the hearts of believers forever. This was the night when the commander of the faithful, the cousin and son-in-law of the Prophet, the symbol of justice and courage, Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, would meet his Lord. But to understand this night, we must first understand the man. From the very beginning of Islam, Ali stood beside the Prophet. He was the first young man to accept Islam. He slept in the Prophet's bed the night enemies surrounded the house to assassinate him. He fought bravely in battles like Badr, Uhud and Khandak. The Prophet once said, "Ali is with the truth, and the truth is with Ali." But Imam Ali was not only a warrior, he was a leader who lived simply. At night, he carried sacks of food on his back, quietly delivering them to poor families, without anyone knowing. For him, justice was not just a word, it was a way of life. But not everyone loved justice. After years of conflict in the Muslim world, a group known as the Kharijites became filled with hatred toward Imam Ali. 3 men made a deadly plan. They decided to assassinate 3 leaders on the same night. One of them, Abd al-Rahman ibn Muljim, took responsibility for killing Imam Ali. He prepared a sword coated with deadly poison, and he waited for the moment. That night, something was different. Imam Ali spent the evening in deep prayer. He looked at the sky again and again, as if he was waiting. When his children noticed his sadness, they asked,
"Oh, Father, why do you keep looking at the sky tonight?"
Imam Ali gently replied,
"This is the night that has been promised to me."
It was as if he already knew. His time in this world was coming to an end. Before dawn, Imam Ali left his home. The streets of Kufa were still asleep, but the Imam walked calmly toward the mosque. As he reached the door, he woke the people for prayer. The mosque slowly filled with worshippers, but hidden among them was a man waiting with a poisoned sword. The prayer began. Imam Ali stood in front of the believers. He recited the words of the Quran. Then he went into sujood. At that exact moment, Ibn Muljim rushed forward. His poisoned sword struck the blessed head of Imam Ali. The mosque echoed with screams, but from the lips of the wounded Imam came words no one expected. Imam Ali said,
"By the Lord of the Kaaba, I have succeeded."
Even in the moment of martyrdom, he saw victory. The people grabbed the assassin. Anger filled the mosque. But Imam Ali, even while wounded, gave a command that stunned everyone. He said,
"Do not harm him. Give him food from what you eat. Treat him well while he is your prisoner."
For 2 days, Imam Ali lived with the wound. During this time, he gave his final advice. He told his children,
"Fear Allah. Stand with the oppressed. Be enemies to injustice. Take care of the orphans and the poor."
These were the values he had lived for his entire life: justice, compassion, faith. On the 21st of Ramadan, the world lost one of its greatest leaders. Imam Ali returned to his Lord, but his legacy did not end. His words were preserved in books like Nahj al-Balagha. His life became a model of justice for generations, and his love remained alive in the hearts of believers forever.